Real community, I trust you're all doing well. All right, today I want to make a video on how to buy SLX coin. All right, this is by popular request, and I'm making this video because the community asked for it. So this is no mean an endorsement. Endorsement for this coin. I'm not endorsing, I'm not holding this coin. I'm just talking about it because a lot of you guys are asking, or you've done your own research and you want to learn how to buy it. Okay, so but first of all, before we start, I just want to put this thing across. If you are buying this coin just because someone said you should buy it, then you are making a big mistake. In crypto, you need to understand what you are doing. All right, and the fact that you don't even know how to buy this coin and you've heard about it and you want to buy means you don't know anything about crypto. All right, so if you want to learn about crypto and if you're in the Korea community, register for the masterclass and get the basics. Don't get into crypto because someone saw a vision or someone's asking you to buy it. Don't do that. If you do that, you're making a big mistake and you could be doing yourself a big disfavor. All right, so always try to understand the basis of crypto before you even think of buying any coin. Right, that being said, I assume all of you understand what you are doing, so let's start. All right, so first of all, you will need a Web3 wallet. Web3 wallet can be Phantom, can be MetaMask, can be Token Pocket, can be Trust Wallet, all right, or Binance Web3 Wallet if you are using Binance. Okay, so in our case, we are going to use the Binance Web3 Wallet. All right, we are going to use the Binance Web3 Wallet. If you don't have a Binance Web3 Wallet, or if you don't have a Binance account, check the link in the bio, okay, or check the link in the video description and use my referral link to create a Binance account. If you have a Binance account and you don't have a Binance Web3 wallet, I also have my Binance Web3 referral there. If you use it, you're going to get 11% on fixed discounts. So whether you have a Binance Web3 wallet or you don't have a Binance Web3 wallet, you can still use the account to get that to bind your Web3 wallet so that you continue to get 11% discount. All right, so that being said, let's go to Binance Web3 wallet. So you see we have the Binance exchange, you have the Binance wallet. There are differences, and I assume if you are part of the Korea community, you should know the difference between an exchange, right, the Binance exchange, and the Binance Web3 wallet. Definitely. All right, if you don't know the difference, then I don't know why and I don't know what you are doing here, right? So I assume you already know the difference. Okay, so tap on the wallet. All right, if you tap on the wallet, what do you have to do? Now we are come to buy the SLX coin. All right, so now where do we buy the SLX coin? What chain or what network do we find the SLX coin? Per my research, I realized that it is on two major chains. It's on the BNB chain and Solana chain. All right, so if you want to buy on the BNB chain, you need BNB in your Web3 wallets. Okay, BNB to buy and some of the BNB as fees. Okay, if you want to buy using the Solana chain, you need to have some Solana coin in your Binance Web3 wallets. Okay, so how do you get the Solana or the BNB? You go to receive and you can transfer it from other wallets. Okay, you go to receive and then you go to receive token via address. All right, and then you select and then you buy. Okay, that's it. But if you have it on your Binance, if you want to buy, what you can also do is that you can buy the Solana or BNB. Okay, you can go to exchange, Binance exchange, and can use the Binance converts. Okay, you can use the Binance converts, okay, to convert some USDT to Solana, or you can even use the Binance spot trade. Okay, you can use the Binance spot trade. Yeah, all right, to convert, to buy, to use your some to buy some Solana there. All right, so it all depends on you. All right, so now I already have Solana in my Web3 wallet, but for the purpose of this tutorial, let me get some Solana again. All right, because I'm going to use the Solana chain to buy it. You can use either BNB or the Solana. I'm going to use the Solana chain to buy it. All right, so let's go to receive, and this time around we are going to go to transfer from Binance exchange. So transfer from Binance exchange, I select Solana, and then I select the Solana chain because I want to transfer via the Solana chain. Go to continue, and then I want to transfer 0.1 Solana. All right, go to transfer. All right, and then go to confirm again. All right, it will ask me to enter my verification code. So in this case here, I'm going to enter my verification code. All right, I use so I just entered my verification code, and then I wait for the coin or the Solana to hit my Web3 wallet. All right, so now I'm waiting. It's not in yet. All right, but it will come. So let's assume it's in, but I think it will be in very soon. All right, so yeah, I think it's in now. What you have to do now is that I go ahead and get a contract address, the Solana contract address, because I'm using the Solana chain to buy the SLX coin. Right, where do you find the address? You find the address from the person who told you to buy. Okay, so if you know how to do it, maybe you can find the right address on CoinMarketCap. But ideally, the person who you are trusting their information should give you the original contract address of that particular coin. In this case, SLX, right? So yeah, in my case, the community is asking me to make a video, so I understand the community already have the address. So let's come here, go to a Corel community, and as you can see, we have someone posted the contract address, the BNB chain and the Solana chain. What chain are we going to use now? We are going to use the Solana chain, all right? Because that's what we prefer. So we go to copy the contract address, and then we come back to our Binance Web3 wallet again. All right. So here, what do we have to do? We are going to find the coin and buy. So let's go to trade here, right? Here, you see this thing here, right? You go to trade, right? So tap on trade here, and let me explain this, right? You see, we have from and we have to. All right. This means you want to convert this coin to this coin, the top coin to that coin, all right? Or want to use the coin at the top to buy the coin at the down, all right? So now we are going to select this one, the top one. We are not going to use BNB, we are going to use Solana. So we tap on this, okay? And then we select Solana, all right? We go to Solana arrow, so you see all the coin here. You see, if you go here, you see all. You can go to BNB chain, you can go to Ethereum chain, you can go to Solana. Here we are using Solana, so you tap on Solana and then you select Solana, which means you are going to use Solana to buy that coin. Then down here, we tap on it also, and this is where we find the coin we want to buy, okay? Or this is where we find the coin we want to convert Solana to. So we paste the contract address here, right? Paste it here, okay? You see, now we find the XLX. So we tap on XLX. It means now I want to use our Solana to buy XLX. All right, you get it. It's very simple. All right, and now you determine how much you want to buy, how much XLX you want to buy. In my case, I want to buy just 0.01 worth of XLX. That's about $7. All right, and then I go to swap. Right. So it will tell me that I'll get 37.3 something SLX with my $7 worth of Solana, and I go to confirm. I enable my verification, and then it's submitted. I just bought SLX coin. As simple as that. You see now I have 37 SLX coin here, right? Okay, you've seen it, right? If I go to my assets, you see the SLX here, right? You see that I have XLX here, right? So it's very simple. This is how you buy XLX coin. Just know that before you buy any coin, you have to do your own research. You shouldn't buy because someone is asking you to buy. You better understand what you are buying. So for those asking how to buy the SLX coin, it's very simple. If you want to use BNB, if you want to use the BNB chain, it's also simple. You just have to go to receive, and then go to transfer from Binance. Before that, you need to have some BNB, right? So if you have some BNB to show here, you select BNB, and then you go and this time around, instead of you to copying the Solana chain for XLX Solana contract address, you copy the BNB chain or BNB address, okay? And then you follow the same rules. Like here, you come to trade, here you come to BNB, okay? You come to BNB, all right? And here you select the coin, right? So this time I have to go back to the community and select the BNB chain. So this is how you buy the coin. If the coin is on Solana, you have to follow the Solana way that I showed you. If the coin is on BNB, you have to follow the same principle and rules. All right. So guys, this is how you buy the XLX coin. For those who are asking me how to buy SLX coin, don't forget to use my Binance Web3 referral. Okay. It's very, very important because it will help you save a lot. Okay. And thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.